feel?
Too much pain.
No.
Painful?
Very painful.
Yeah, grab my hand.
Stop moving.
Okay. Stop moving.
내일이면 다른 지역으로 이동을 하는데 다른 지역으로 이동하기 전에 다 같이 해나를 하고 떠날 것 같습니다. 앉아서 얘기 좀 하다가 갑자기 더럽게 이렇게 됐네요. 그래서 오늘 해나를 하고 이제 다 같이 이동을 할 것 같습니다. 내일. What does it mean in your tattoo? The Japanese language?
Oh, this means man of destiny. In Japanese script. So the first time I fell in love with someone, we saw something in Japanese and it looked pretty cool. And then we thought, why don't we get a tattoo saying soulmate? So we searched soulmate in Japanese. So this thing came up.
Now you regret, right?
It's fine. Man of destiny. I'm the soulmate. I could be the soulmate for a lot of people.
Yeah. So soulmate means
Soulmate. Man of destiny. This looks so cool. Your turn. No?
same one?
Tell him. No. We'll see. We'll see.
Let's see. Yeah.
Now it feels like I'm doing it. Good thing about trees is
Yeah.
they don't have to be perfect, right?
Yeah. Still painful. I think I cannot get tattoos.
Stop being a baby, Daddy, okay? You're not a baby anymore.
But it makes me hurt.
Since a few days you are grown up, man.
We can make some business.
Through Vika, yeah.
Henna business.
Nice. And I have to practice more. So the next weeks I need your bodies.
No, just get some money and then just practice other people.
Yeah, they don't know.
Yeah, they don't know even. Just thank you.
A tree.
Wow, look at this.
This is a tree.
Wow, so nice. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
그래도 확실히 이게 혼자 여행하는 것보다 같이 있으니까 뭔가 이것저것 하게 되네요. 뭔가 안 하던 것들도 하게 되고 아주 만족스럽습니다. Look at his face. Already artist. Do you trust him?
Yes, I do.
Should do.
Do you trust me with the design? Otherwise, it's fine. This looks nice. We should stop here.
You can make also like circles around, like also smaller dots around, and then the dots around will be even smaller and smaller.
Let's do it with pen first. So let's trace it.
Real artist.
Yeah, and guess who's the artist? I have done it. Look at my creation.
Yeah.
Single-handedly.
Perfectly.
Did not even use my left hand. Only the right hand.
완벽하게 완성이 다 됐습니다. 시간이 지나면 이게 굳으면서 해나처럼 남는다고 하네요. 한번 내일 어떻게 될지 한번 두고 봅시다. 네. Yeah, right. I got most tattoo. 예, 오늘은 LRP를 떠나서 이제 아래쪽으로 내려갈 예정입니다. 어제 밤에 했는데 잘 됐네요. LRP에서 이제 뜨리 웬드럼이라는 곳으로 이동을 합니다. 이제 위에서 이제 아래쪽으로 이제 이동을 쭉 하는데요. 여기보다는 훨씬 더 큰 도시라고 해요. 3일 정도는 이렇게 같이 여행을 하고 데이지는 이제 다른 택거리라는 좀 위쪽에 산간 지역에 가서 이제 잠깐 한 3주 정도 이제 자원봉사 그 게스트하우스에 가서 거기서 일하면서 무료로 숙식하면서 거기서 좀 일을 할 예정이고요. 저랑 피카 같은 경우에는 뜨리 웬드럼에서 2주 정도 머물면서 요가를 할 것 같아요. 요가를 하고 프로그램을 하면은 굉장히 뭔가 정신적으로나 육체적으로나 뭔가 큰 변화가 있다고 하더라고요. 그래서 과연 이게 큰 변화가 있을지 한번 궁금해서 저도 한번 해보려고 합니다.
What is your gang tattoo?
Yes. Which gang? We have to make name, right?
Yeah.
Vika, Daddy K, Vika. DDV gang. DVD gang. DVD gang. DVDs.
If Spencer comes back.
DVDs.
Yeah. DVDs.
It's the collection of people who have no idea what they are doing in their lives. So they get together and spend their lives and kill their days and enjoy what's happening around them at the moment.
I think the meaning is like these are some free souls who get not stacked.
Not Daisy, Vika, Dedicate, no, right? And then, no.
DVD has a bigger meaning to it. It's a philosophical.
Free moving.
Dangerous vibe, dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Dangerous, very dangerous. 같이 이제 갱을 만들었습니다. 저희는 이제 DVD 갱입니다. How can say, yeah. What I show, oh yeah, DVD 갱입니다. 네, 보여드리기도 어렵네요. 위험하고 매우 위험한 뜻이랍니다. 네. 조심하세요. DVD 갱입니다. It's called DVD gang. 프레디라고 여기서 일하는 친구인데 굉장히 착합니다. 좋은 친구예요. 나 뚝뚝 타고 이제 버스 타고 이제 출발할 것 같습니다. 전반적으로 인도에서 교통수단은 이렇게 뚝뚝을 많이 이용을 합니다. 여기는 완전 시골 쪽이라서 이제 뚝뚝을 이제 주로 이용을 하는데 가격이 이제 매번 달라요. 그래서 기사님들이랑 항상 조율하면서 타셔야 됩니다.
It's the cheapest version of transport, so people prefer the cheaper one. Autos are cheaper than taxis, so everybody just picks auto. Also, we trust autos more than the other taxis. We grew up with autos around us, so it's more familiar than the taxis. Rickshaw is the man who's that manual rickshaw, where the guy is driving like a cycle,
Yeah.
and the back is open. That's rickshaw.
That is rickshaw.
This is auto rickshaw.
Got it.
That's the history.
Now we are right. 이제 알라피를 떠나서 트리벤드로로 갑니다. 그래서 알라피에서 이제 트리벤드로까지는 이제 한 3시간 정도 걸리는데 일단 버스를 타고 쭉 내려갈 것 같아요. 그래서 여기보다는 훨씬 더 큰 도시라고 하니까 좀 기대가 됩니다. 어떤 게 있을지. 머리도 좀 잘라야겠네요. 너무 길어가지고. 여기는 전체적으로 뭐 버스가 디자인이 다 비슷합니다. 저런 식으로 통일돼 있어요. 굉장히 개방형 버스로 이제 어디 가냐고 물어봤을 때 이제 어디 간다고 하면은 그거 타고 그냥 가면 되는 겁니다. 굉장히 개방형이죠. So our bus is more fancier than this.
Yeah, because it moves between two cities, it has to have a little more safety. Here, no safety.
A little more safety.
A little more safety.
Yeah, I have to. 확실히 일반 버스들보다는 훨씬 좋아 보이네요. 앞에 세 줄은 이제 여성석이에요. 그래서 여성만 탈 수 있고, 그리고 나머지는 이제 그냥 일반 사람들이 타는 곳이라고 하는데 경우에 따라서 이제 노인석도 있다고 해요. 그래서 노인석이랑 여성석 이렇게 나눠져 있다고 합니다. 일반 버스보다는 확실히 창문도 있고 좀 더 쿠션도 좋고 안전한 느낌이 있어요. 비슷비슷합니다. 비슷비슷한데 I don't know why this road have opposite side. Everybody would die. When I'm watching in front, it's so fucking dizzy, you know.
He would hit anyone.
Yeah, it seems like try to kill someone.
It just takes one mistake.
이게 도로가 보면은 엄청 위험하긴 합니다. 2차선 도로인데 반대로도 가고 아까 가다가 뭐 사람이 치인 것 같아요. 아까 사람들이 막 몰려서 보는 거 보니까 엄청나요. 그냥 막 매드맥스입니다. 쉽지 않네요. It's always crazy like this? Everywhere?
Pretty much the same. It's more scary when you're in the mountains.
Mountain. Yeah, definitely. It's
Same kind of
scary.
driving, but you also have. So buses in India are like helicopters, especially their speed. And because the drivers are overworked, they want to get from one place to another place as fast as possible. And most of the roads, they are not specific road traffic rules, so they just push their way through the traffic.
It looks like movie theater.
It's an action scene.
Action movie.
See how close they are.
riding red motorbike in India is like kind of suicide.
Also, riding bikes in Indian national highways, super scary. Because the truck drivers don't give a shit, bus drivers don't give a shit. Because you probably might be thinking, as long as I follow the rules, I'll be safe. That's not true. Because the other people are not following the rules.
예, 전에는 저녁이어가지고 크게 몰랐는데 완전 운전 빡셉니다. 예, 제가 봤을 때 버스 기사가 되려면 쉽지 않을 것 같아요. 네, 이제 거의 도착을 했습니다. 4시간보다 더 오래 걸렸습니다. Thank you. Bus is very tough. Yeah. 와. 도착하니까 밤이 됐네요. 밥부터 먹고 갈 것 같아요.
And what is the other?
카스테라?
Banana cake.
바나나 케이크.
Okay, also.
바나나 케이크. I give to Tika.
One more.
How is it?
Alright. Why don't we have one?
Oh, my name is Dilip. What's your name?
My name is Lee.
From Japan?
No, Korea.
Korea.
Do you know
Oh.
Korea?
Yeah, yes. South
No,
Korea.
you know that.
Yeah.
So where we are? Here is name?
Trivandrum.
Trivandrum. Okay. Thank you so much. 일단 여기서 간단하게 먹고 또 이동을 할 것 같습니다. 여기서 또 버스 타고 또 들어가야 된다 그래서 가볍게 먹고 이동할 예정입니다.
One more for.
What is this? Is it noodle soup? This is noodles. This is noodle soup. Where is soup? You like it? No.
You're disappointed. You want some soup?
스프가 있는 국수라고 했는데 국물은 없네요. 감자를 케찹에 그냥 찍어 먹는 느낌? 네. Maybe let's check Uber also.
Let's check. 40 minutes, right?
40 minutes. Okay. It's gonna be more, right?
I like it how you just repeat what people are saying. New start, new journey, new adventures. Now we got used to a place, now we change it.
New tire. Yeah. Yeah. No. You
Smile.
can see you. 일단은 오늘은 카우치 서핑 하는 사람을 찾아가지고 일단 거기 가서 일단 숙박을 할 것 같습니다. 저희를 위해서 요리도 해주시고 잠자리도 제공해 주신다는 분이 있어서 해외여행 하면서 사람들 다 카우치 서핑하는 걸 많이 듣기는 했는데 실제로 해보는 것도 처음이네요.
They just let you sleep there and you communicate with the people, but ask him his experience. I never did it.
You never did also?
I never did it. I always wanted to try, I never did.
Okay, let's try this time. Everywhere I think have couch surfing.
Yep.
I can hug you guys.
Now we are more getting closer. Come on, guys.
Very cozy.
Come on, guys.
Very cozy.
Very cozy.
You think you would be this cozy with the old guy?
Yes.
Like, guy, come here.
Come here.
Do like there is no camera.
And when camera on, yes.
This is mohawk.
Oh, that's your hair.
My hair.
Wow. Rockstar looks like.
I tried my best. And
thanks.
all the drunken punk boys and ladies were always sleeping like this. Because they cannot
Hair.
this, not this.
For protect hair. Wow. So they cannot lay down also.
They can, but then it breaks.
I'm not do like that too much, but just a little bit. Just cut off hair, everything, and then just a little bit here, just small one. Yeah. When I was middle school.
I can help you to get it up.
No. I'm grown up right now.
I colored my hair a few times, but then I realized very soon it's not my thing.
Like bridge like this, yellow bridge in here.
Yeah,
Really?
once in the college I did it.
Someone do like just only here is like brown or yellow bridge.
I had a flake.
When I was elementary school, it's very like sprayed out everywhere. Just only one bridge.
Yeah, when I was in college I was doing it. One. If I had it for 6 months, 6 months I'm not going back home. And when I'm going back home, I'm
But then-
fixing it.
Jump! Jump!
You go first. Hello. Yeah, thank you, sir. 마중 나와 주셨네요. 그래서 바로 차로 같이 이동할 것 같습니다. 되게 친절해 보이시네.
My wife and daughter.
We realized.
Yeah.
Great looking daughter. Remember the last time we conditioning with my face?
Yeah.
Guys, everything taken from inside?
Yeah. Thank you. Danny Jetty. Oh,
Yes.
so nice. Thank you.
Guys, feel yours at home. Just like this. Just like this.
Oh, thank you.
I also want to have this.
카우치 서핑이 참 좋네요. 재워주고 그리고 나중에 또 내가 어딜 또 여행을 갔을 때 이제 연락을 하면은 이제 좀 도와주고 약간 이런 식으로 이제 이루어진다고 하는데 그런 걸 떠나서 엄청 좋네요. 그냥 이렇게 재워주시는 것만으로도 감사하네요.
So, the style will be different. No attached bathroom. This is the toilet, washroom. I will give you slippers. This is the bathroom.
Sour.
By
Nice.
that time you can.
Maybe we
Bananas.
if we put this here, maybe this way.
I think this is bread.
I know this
And
one.
I think I know this one.
To try this. No, we should try this at the end of the meal.
와 이렇게 밥까지 다 주시고 진짜 감사하네요. 맛있게 먹고 오늘 밤 좀 보내야겠네요.
I mean, they were good people.
I also should come and say. When couchsurfing guests come, make very good food. But today it's not well, and child also not well, so will be.
No, even also this is very nice.
We like.
Perfect.
We like serving.
It's very nice.
Thank you so much.